Why do we need government? The purpose of the government is to make sure people in a society have safe and comfortable lives. The government does three key things for Canadians. The government provides services. What are some examples of services offered by the government? Things the government pays for: healthcare, schools, libraries, public transportation, like buses, emergency services, like fire trucks and ambulances, laws, and senior services. The government protects rights and freedoms. The government protects the rights and freedoms of the people. In a democracy, people have certain rights and freedoms. The government protects these rights by using laws, courts, and the Constitution. Government provides leadership. The government provides leadership to the people. The government is elected by the people to make decisions on their behalf. The government makes decisions about the environment, resources, and relations with other countries. What are our responsibilities as citizens? In exchange for what the government gives us, we as citizens have certain responsibilities. In order to help our government make good decisions, we must tell the government what we want and need. The other responsibilities that Canadians have is making their point of view known and listen to others to understand their point of view.